Hi, friends. I want to go over with you today your sports, games, and recreation paragraph that you're going to do for me as part of your cultural fair. So on this screen, I have laid out exactly what I want you to do. Your paragraph will not be due until Friday's e-learning day. So for today, what you're going to be doing is researching and starting to write your paragraph, okay? So your first paragraph for me is on sports, games, and recreation. You're going to watch this video that you're watching now, and then you're going to look at the document that I have attached here about how I am going to grade your paragraph. And then lastly, so that I know that you have looked at the video, I want you to tell me your country and one thing you have learned today about sports, games, or recreation for your country, okay? So I want us to look real quick at how I'm going to grade you on your paragraphs. So your paragraph, each paragraph you do for me is going to be worth 10 points. The first point is for a clear introduction to the paragraph using a topic sentence. Then I'm going to give you 4 points for giving me 4 to 5 facts about your country and the sports. 3 points are on conventions. What that means is spelling, grammar, and punctuation. So make sure you check your grammar and your spelling. 1 point for a closing sentence to end your paragraph, and then 1 point for using sources in your paragraph. Okay, so remember there are 2 ways to add your citations. One is an in-text citation, and the other is the websites that you use. You're going to put them at the bottom of your paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of a paragraph I took from one of my last year's students, and I did the highlighting on here. This is not something you need to do, but I want you to, I highlighted different things so that you could break it, you could see it broke down into the different parts that I'm looking for in your paragraph. So this student did China. And she put on here as her topic sentence, in the morning, China's parks are crowded as groups of people join in with all kinds of activities and exercise. So she's going to tell me how Chinese people, what they do for sports and games and that kind of thing. So she introduces the paragraph with this first sentence. Then here in orange, she tells me all about different sports, games, and recreation that Chinese people do. So she put on here, some people practice Tai Chi, a gentle exercise that has lots of stretching and deep breathing. So that's one fact. The second fact, she says, dragon boat racing is another sport Chinese people enjoy. That's 2. The third one, running is a big sport in China. Running has become one of the most important sports for Chinese athletes. That's 3. And then her fourth fact that she put on here is the Chinese also play, and she lists all the different things that they do. Okay, she gave me 4 different facts about sports, games, and recreation. Okay, so she would get her full 4 points. Then she ends her paragraph with a closing sentence. She kind of summarizes it all up. And what she says is, in all, China has multiple sports and games. So she kind of tells me, okay, this is what this paragraph is all about. All right. So she has an intro sentence, her fact sentences, and then her conclusion sentence. You can hear my dogs. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so one of the things I want you to notice also is her in-text citations and her sources that she lists here on the outside. The one other thing that I would mention that would be a good thing to do, and that would be to add a title to your paragraph, just so you can keep track of your different paragraphs. So I would add like China sports or something like that up here, okay? So again, notice the in-text citations here and the sources listed here. This is how you get a full 10 points, okay? You're not turning it in today. Remember, you're not turning your paragraph in today. You will do that on Friday's e-learning. Today is specifically for you to learn how to write the paragraph, do your research, and then write the paragraph on Friday, and you'll turn that in to me. All right, have fun.